Hi guys, I'm back for another video. As you know, we've started our breeding season, and I'm just here to show you some of the birds and if they've had eggs. Basically our daily check. So, as you know, there are 2 canaries in the cage, but we'll get onto them later. So there's our male canary, red mosaic. He's jumping around there, and his female is on the nest. So I'll try and, I think they've got the same amount of eggs as the other day, so yeah. Also, this is our couple this first couple that had eggs, but they weren't exactly fertile. So there's our red mosaic gate male with his female, and they've got 2 eggs. That's very good. These are 2 canaries that we bred last breeding season, I believe. So I don't think they've got any eggs. No, they don't. So yeah. This is our red mosaic gate with a red mosaic female. I believe these don't have any eggs either, which I am right. Now onto the budgies. As you can see, that's the father sitting next to his son or daughter. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs. I believe it's 10 yet. So that's very good. Hopefully, if they're healthy and most of them hatch. This is our cage where we have one of our male budgies with a couple of females. And they've only got 1 in here. So, yep. This is our other couple who I think have baby, but it seems like the baby is in there. Yeah, it is, and they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. Don't know why the baby's in the nest box, but we'll get that sorted. Now, these are our 2 canaries that we started off in the last video, and I believe they don't have any eggs yet, which, yeah, but this looks like they built a nest, so that's a good sign. As you can see, we've got the canaries in here with their green finches, and yeah, and we've got our silver finches in here. That's a good example. It looks like one of the zebra finches have tried to build a nest there. Or build a nest. And as you can see, the green finches are on top there. So it seems like they like that corner. And yeah, so bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.